Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan, Rahayu. Perkenalkan, saya Erna Wigiati, SPD MPD, dosen mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris pada program Studi S1 Manajemen, Sekolah Tinggi Ilmu Ekonomi Pariwisata Yogyakarta. Saya mengampu beberapa mata kuliah, diantaranya English for General, English for Communication, English for Academic, MICE, Community-Based Tourism, dan Sustainable Tourism. Saya merupakan lulusan S1 Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta pada tahun 2004 dan menyelesaikan studi S2 Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris di program Pascasarjana Universitas 11 Maret pada tahun 2013. Pada kesempatan ini, saya akan menyajikan proses pembelajaran mata kuliah English for General yang disajikan sebagai bagian dari persyaratan sertifikasi dosen SMART pada tahun 2026. Khususnya dalam aspek pengajaran, dalam pelaksanaan pembelajaran dirancang dengan memperhatikan komponen DPI, yaitu delivery, interaction, dan attraction, agar proses belajar berlangsung efektif, partisipatif, dan non-tekstual. Mata kuliah English for General memiliki bobot 2 SKS. Merupakan mata kuliah wajib bagi mahasiswa program studi S1 Manajemen semester 1 dengan kode mata kuliah PK 41001. Mata kuliah English for General ini dirancang untuk membekali mahasiswa dengan keterampilan dasar berkomunikasi dalam bahasa Inggris secara lisan dan tulisan dalam berbagai konteks umum, termasuk interaksi akademik dan profesional. Pendekatan yang saya gunakan adalah berbasis outcome-based education untuk memastikan capaian pembelajaran yang jelas dan terukur dengan materi yang dibahas tiap pertemuan adalah greeting dan introduction oneself, describing people, place and things, daily activity and routines, giving direction and instruction, making requests and offering helps, expression opinion and preference, talking about past experience, future plans and prediction, making appointment and arrangement, writing formal and informal email, job interview and professional communication, presentation skill in English and speech. Capaian pembelajaran yang diharapkan, mahasiswa mampu memiliki etika dalam berkomunikasi menggunakan bahasa Inggris dalam lingkungan akademik dan sosial. Mahasiswa mampu menunjukkan sikap percaya diri dalam menggunakan bahasa Inggris untuk komunikasi sehari-hari. Mahasiswa mampu menguasai pengetahuan mengenai kemampuan struktur teks dalam bahasa Inggris seperti percakapan, surat elektronik, dan laporan sederhana. Mahasiswa mampu menguasai pengetahuan mengenai memahami berbagai ungkapan dan pola kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris yang digunakan dalam interaksi sosial dan akademik. Mahasiswa mampu menyampaikan ide, pendapat, dan informasi secara lisan dalam bahasa Inggris dengan jelas dan sopan. Mahasiswa mampu memahami dan merespon instruksi serta percakapan dalam bahasa Inggris dalam tingkat kompleksitas dasar hingga menengah. Mahasiswa mampu menggunakan bahasa Inggris dalam berbagai situasi komunikasi sehari-hari seperti perkenalan, meminta informasi, dan memberikan instruksi. Mahasiswa mampu berkomunikasi secara efektif baik lisan maupun tulisan dalam bahasa Inggris pada tingkat dasar hingga menengah. Mahasiswa mampu bekerja dengan tim dengan menggunakan bahasa Inggris sebagai alat komunikasi. Mahasiswa mampu mengakses, memahami, dan menyajikan informasi dalam bahasa Inggris dari berbagai sumber. Mahasiswa mampu memanfaatkan teknologi komunikasi dan informasi untuk meningkatkan keterampilan bahasa Inggris. Mahasiswa mampu memahami konsep dasar tata bahasa dan kosakata bahasa Inggris untuk komunikasi sehari-hari. Mahasiswa mampu memahami perbedaan gaya komunikasi dalam bahasa Inggris berdasarkan konteks budaya yang berbeda. Sementara, JPNK Matkul English for General adalah mahasiswa mampu memahami dan menggunakan kosakata dasar serta struktur kata bahasa yang relevan untuk komunikasi umum. Mahasiswa mampu mendengarkan dan memahami percakapan sederhana dalam bahasa Inggris. Mahasiswa mampu berbicara dengan percaya diri dalam situasi informal dan formal. Mahasiswa mampu membaca teks sederhana. Mahasiswa mampu menggunakan bahasa Inggris dalam percakapan sehari-hari, presentasi, dan penulisan formal. Mahasiswa mampu menunjukkan sikap percaya diri dalam menggunakan bahasa Inggris dalam berbagai situasi sosial dan profesional. Dalam mendukung capaian tersebut, skema penilaian mata kuliah dirancang secara profesional dan transparan, yaitu kehadiran dan partisipasi aktif dengan bobot sebesar 20%, tugas dan latihan dengan bobot sebesar 15%, ujian tengah semester dengan bobot sebesar 25%, dan ujian akhir semester dengan bobot sebesar 40%, sehingga total bobot penilaian adalah 100%. Pada kesempatan ini akan kami tampilkan pembelajaran pertemuan ke-13 dengan topik Job Interview dan Professional Communication. Topik ini dipilih karena memiliki relevansi langsung dengan kebutuhan dunia kerja, khususnya dalam membekali mahasiswa program studi manajemen agar siap mendapatkan proses wawancara kerja dan komunikasi profesional, termasuk di industri pariwisata dan bisnis. Melalui pembelajaran ini, mahasiswa diharapkan mampu memahami alur dan struktur wawancara kerja dalam bahasa Inggris, menggunakan hukuman profesional yang tepat, serta menunjukkan sikap percaya diri dan etika komunikasi dalam situasi formasi yang baik dan situasi formal. Selamat menyaksikan. Mulai ya. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, I hope you are all great and ready to learn something new, yeah. But before we start, let me ask one simple question. How many of you ever had a job interview before? How many ever you had interview before? Yes? One. Okay, one. Please raise your hand. Okay, please answer my question. How many of you have ever had a job interview before? Raise your hand. Yes. Yes. Two. Okay. Two. Three. Yes. Three. Okay. All right. How many of you nervous?
Yes.
Nervous?
Yes.
Okay, that's very normal. And today we are going to learn how to face the job interview, confident, professional, and especially in English. Okay, this is a job and professional communication meeting 13. I want all of you imagine this situation. You apply for a job in hotel or in a company or another industry. Okay, your CV is good. Your skill are good. Yeah, your skill is good. And but interview say, can you introduce yourself in English? So what will you do? Okay, so what will you do? Yes? Experience? Okay? Are you feel confident or not? Or nervous? Nervous. Okay, nervous, yeah. That's why today the topic is very important to you. Yeah, to prepare you in other company if you have a job interview. Okay, and after this class, I will give learning objective. This is after completing the course, Okay, students are expected to be able, one, understand the purpose and stakes of job interview in English. Second, use appropriate English expression in the context of job interview. And the third, answer job interview question orally with confidence and politeness. And four, demonstrate professional attitude in formal communication. And then, prepare supporting document for job interview completely and systematically. No, I want to know who can answer my question. What is job interview? Raise your hand. What the meaning job interview? What is job interview? Yes?
Job interview is a formal communication process between job application and company.
Okay, good. So, what is purpose of job interview? What the purpose? Okay, raise your hand. Please, what your name?
Kembita Sani.
Gembita. Okay. Next, what's the purpose of the job interview? Yes, your name?
Zulfa.
Zulfa. What's the purpose of job interview, Mother Zulfa?
Employer assess candidate skills,
Mhm.
experience, motivation, and cultural fit for a role. While candidate evaluate their of the job, team, and company culture are not important.
Okay, very good. Next, you can look at the slides. This is a job interview is a formal communication process between a job applicant and the company. Yeah, to access the applicant qualification, skill, and attitude. And the second, determine the candidate's suitability for the position applied for, and observe the applicant professional communication skill. So this is the key point. Yeah. An interview is not just about answer question, okay, but also demonstrating professionalism and confidence. So, all of you, I want to ask: is job interview only about answer question? No. So, what? So, if not, what the answer? About communication profile. Okay. Okay, next. Look at the slide. This sorry. Yes, this is type of job interview. Some common types of job interview we can do by face-to-face interview, and second by online or virtual interview. You can use Zoom, yeah, and Google Meet or Teams. And then we use panel interview with more than one interviewers. Okay. The four types is behavior interview, and the five is user interview. You can do with supervisor, with direct supervisor. Okay. Now, same with my question. Professional communication interview includes three. Yeah, verbal communication. Yeah, consists by clear pronunciation, and then polite expression, and then relevant answer. Okay. And second, non-verbal communication is by eyes contact, yeah, body language, and facial expression. Okay. And the next professional communication in interview is professional attitude. This is about confidence, and then Honesty, and then
Respect.
yes, respect. Okay, so this is about starter of job interview. The first is opening and greeting, okay? And then self introduction, and then interview question. After that, discussion about skill and experience. Okay, and the last is closing.
And
Don't forget say okay. Yes. Now, this is about common interview question. Yeah, common interview question. But the first is tell me about yourself. Yeah, I will ask you. Can you answer yes?
Tell me about yourself.
Yes.
My name is Maria Brida.
Mm-hmm.
I am 20 years old.
Mhm.
I come from Mumbai,
Mm-hmm.
and my hobby are singing,
Mm-hmm.
dance, traveling, and reading.
Mm-hmm.
I also have skill
Mm-hmm.
such as being
Mm-hmm.
such as being
Mm-hmm.
able to work for even and the gym, and I am having good product company, and I bet crying.
Okay, excellent. So, who will answer the why do you want to work in here? Yes. Okay, ready. Ready already. Ready. Yeah.
money and experience.
Example. You have many experience. Example.
Money for me get to buy this, buy the holding account,
Okay. Okay. Good. Good, Daddy. And then, who will answer number 3? What are your strength and weakness? Okay, you. No. What your name? Unique thing. Okay. What your answer? Unique thing.
Strong and discipline, responsible and good learning attitude, and I was also adaptable to a new environment, able to work together, good team and independent. My weakness, my lack of confidence at first start when I was talking to a lot of people, but now I keep actively communication and with we can do.
Okay, thank you. Very good. And then number 4, who will answer? Number 4. Raise your hand. What do you want? What do you know about our company? So you can imagine you will apply in hotel. So you must know about her or his company. Yeah. Okay, we'll answer. Yes. Yes. What's your name? Angelina. Azalina. Okay, Mbak Azalina.
I love
Yes. Okay, madam, please. Okay, before that, you have training in there before 6 months, yeah. Okay, good. And next, number 5. Okay, you. What's your name?
My name is Rahma.
Rahma. What's your answer, Rahma?
I have the skills and experiences, and I am eager to contribute to your team success.
Okay, team success. Okay, thank you. Your answer. Okay, next. This is behavioral interview questions. Yeah. In behavioral question, as usually you can ask a question about. Tell me about a challenge you have faced, and then describe a situation, and then how do you handle pressure or a deadline. And the last is about tell me about a file or what you learn from it. Okay, and the K that use STAR method. What is STAR method? Is about situation, yes, task, action, and result. Yeah, this is can use in another experience. Yeah, in another environment. Okay, and next, yes. Who can volunteer to come in here? What's your name? Yes,
Chelsea.
Chelsea, come here, Chelsea. Okay, this is sample answer. Yeah, sample answer talks about the question is tell me about yourself. Okay, you can read. Yeah.
I'm a management student with strong interest in development and research. I'm motivated, willing to learn, and able to work in a team.
Mm-hmm.
I have basic communication skill in English, and I'm ready to improve myself professionally.
Okay, thank you, Chelsea. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Next slide. Yes. This is about do and don'ts in job interview. Okay. You can do first be on time, and then dress professionally. Yeah. And speak clearly and polite, and so confident. Yeah. That's it. More important in so confident. And don'ts arrive late. Okay. Interrupt the interviewers and use informal language. Yeah. Use bahasa Jawa. Okay. Don'ts and so negative attitudes. Okay. Next. Let me ask you. Which one more important in interview? Confident or perfect grammar? Yes, raise your hand.
Zaria.
Zalia. Confident. Yeah. Confident is very important. Okay. Grammar is important. But confident and attitude, one. Yeah, come first. Okay. Okay, next. Nah, this is about document that you must bring in the job interview. The first is about CV or curriculum vitae, and then application letters, okay, portfolio if required, and then about academic transcript, yeah, and certificate, ID card, and then passport if required, and pen also.
Okay.
Okay. So, final tips for success. First is prepare your answer. Okay, number second, practice speaking English. And the next is research the company, be confident and positive, and say thank you at the end. This is about final tip for success in job interview. Okay, you must remember it. Okay. So the next slide. Okay, it's about class activity. Can you make a role play? Yeah, a pairs. Okay, sepasang silahkan berhadapan-hadapan.
My name is Maria Veda, professional and 20 years old. I am from Ongarai. My hobby are singing, dance, traveling, and reading. I also have skill such as being able to work at team, and I am having problem solving abilities, and my weakness, I get cry easily. I have experience in bakery shop 2023 and 2025. I want this job. I want this job to manage my skill, and I want growth to contribute and the company. My handlebar clip by Dominic S. Palmi is standing and fending my solution. Thank you.
Now I'm starting working, everything has been knowledge and we really have to do culture what they can use I can show that the private toys, the restaurant, transfer, my home, and I have Christmas in upcoming.
So very really master ini.
I mostly can ada brand logo, like
They use all portfolio in Travel.
yes, I have a portfolio project that I start going finish.
It's working over the years.
Let's move on to assessment, social media, but I am some project.
What is your component catch up with these?
I start by importing footage, betting, cutting footage, and traders in person to focus on video.
Have you ever issue like issue how do you religion?
Yes, I impact protection and I work with
Are you willing to invest in uncover religion?
Yes, I'm willing to learn and follow the caption. Right.
Please introduce myself.
My name is Shafran Raini. I am 18 years old. Now I live in Santan Maguharjo, and I fresh graduated from State Professional High School for Jakarta, majoring in culinary, and I have experience, industrial experience. Kitchen in Sairaya Hotel. So I'm ready to work in Greenland. I got a master basic skill in Austrian bakery, such as lamination and supervision and using industrial equipment such as production and techniques. I'm just like as with this. I am disciplined in hygiene standard, and I'm being meticulous when doing the ingredients. And my weakness is sometimes I have difficulty in releasing recipe, so I carry a small notes to overcome this.
Basic in the kitchen and hospitality. I am responsible for the person. I do music and I have communication skills and I think I'm so organized, hardworking, and able to work with. I can manage my time well. and handle accidental. What is your business? But I'm like in the time you work on the time. However, learning to manage my bundles, I can work more efficiently.
Demikian tadi video pembelajaran mata kuliah English World General dengan topik Job Interview and Professional Communication. Semoga video pembelajaran ini dapat memberikan manfaat serta mendukung pencapaian pembelajaran mahasiswa, khususnya dalam pengembangan keterampilan komunikasi profesional berbahasa Inggris. Terima kasih atas perhatian dan kesempatan yang diberikan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan, rahayu, salam sehat dan sejahtera untuk kita semua.